for those that are into e-commerce and for product for the product pictures. All right, so these are top tools that all vendors need for their products, for picture taking and everything. All right, top tools, top tools. So stay tuned. Subscribe for more tips. Subscribe for more tips right now. Subscribe for more tips. All right, so these are the top tools that I think that vendors really need. And the first one here is you need a Google Lens. All right, a Google Lens. Now, if you're using Techno Camon 16, I think Google Lens is actually attached
So you
to
can
your
literally
camera.
just
you
can
can see
picture
by the sound
and
of this,
then
my
a
camera right
product, and
here.
then
All
to
right,
bring out
it's
the
attached
already
to.
snap studio and edited picture, like you can see right there. Like you can see right there, it brings out a lot of amazing pictures already taken. So you brings up the exact picture of that product, so you won't have to go through all those editing process and whatever. So now if you just go to your Play Store and search a lens, all right, I already have it on my phone. So if you're using the iPhone, you can also get that one. Then another one is called remove.bg. So what this literally does is it's remove background. That is remove. All right, remove.bg. So what remove.bg does is that it actually remove background for whatever product that you may have. All right, look at this product. Let's upload a product, a demo product right here now. All right, you're going to my picture gallery. So this is a product right here. I'll take a picture of some for sample. All right, once you upload it, it remove the background for that product. You can see how clean it is. Before now, you use what do they call it? Corel Draw to remove background for any product or whatever, but this one just remove background as simple as ABC, and you can click on the edit to switch background. You can choose it to any place, or you can just blur the background, so you can switch to as many as possible. All right, there's then the last one, which is one of the most amazing product editing tool that I believe every single product vendors need. This one is called photoroom. All right, no, this is what photoroom does for you. Now all you just have to do is take the picture, and whatever picture it is, it will remove it. Now I'm just going to check the gallery and then choose the same picture I've chosen before. Now this is what this one does. It scans the picture and then remove the background and then replace it with a better background, all right, which you can choose. Okay, so sometimes it may not be clear as possible. All right, so for clarity's sake, so you can actually edit some. You can actually blur the background if you wish. You can change the color or whatever. So if I just click on it, okay, let me use another product, a more clearer product. All right, that is well taken. All right, let's take this one here and wait for it to scan it, and boom, we have the background removed already. So now what we can do, we can actually click on it. You can click on the first one and then edit the background. You can click on background and then you can either blur the background, maybe blur it this way, click on blur too, and then it will blur the background, or use another tool by filling it with colors. All right, and which is the part I love the most. You can fill it with colors, and one thing about product is it's if you're using a product with a bright color, you can fill the background with a dark color, so it's one color brings us another. So I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, subscribe for more ideas and more tools right like this. All right, go to my channel. There's a lot of amazing videos. So let's see you in the next video. Take care.